This 2025 East to West Takoda 400th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Manheim, Pennsylvania, 17545 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 46 feet 0 inches in length and features a Barrington Maple interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.